Now at 4, the murder rate in Indianapolis is down. The Marion County prosecutor claims 9 out of 10 people taken to trial for murder, he says, are convicted.
Fox 59's Russ McQuaid sat down with prosecutor Ryan Mears and the IMPD chief to see what the numbers tell us about murders in Indy.
A 90% success rate is certainly admirable as long as we understand whether that number translates to a safer city. Indianapolis is on a 4-year winning streak with the number of homicides decreasing, and the prosecutor says that statistic is matched by a winning batting average in the courtroom.
This is the third consecutive year we've been over 90% as it relates to our conviction rate.
In 2025, the Marion County prosecutor took 42 cases to trial and came away with a 90% success rate of a guilty finding on either the lead charge or a lesser included offense. And the prosecutor and IMPD insist those are not all laydowns or slam dunk cases.
I can tell you that I know for a fact that Prosecutor Mears and his team have taken cases that have not been 90% or 100%.
Last year, the prosecutor's office filed 86 murder cases, but there were 33 cases not filed because they were determined to be self-defense or inadvertent or the killer was dead. Nearly a third of the defendants are teenagers. More than half of the people charged with murder last year had never been in trouble with police or courts before.
48% of the cases that we filed were over disputes or revenge. And unfortunately, we see a lot of people involved in those disputes have no prior criminal history. They're not on Chief's radar because they've never been involved in the criminal justice system before.
These kids are not living in reality. They don't understand the impact of gun violence. When they shoot someone, it's going to change their life and that person's life forever. And so the availability of guns in our community is rampant.
Prosecutor Mears says when convictions go up, homicides go down.
We're not talking about 5 or 6% decreases. I mean, we're talking about 50 lives difference.
Non-fatal shootings are down in Indianapolis. Mears says his office's major felony conviction rate is 77%, and that translates to lives not lost due to better police work and courtroom convictions. In the studio, Russ McQuaid, Fox 59 News.
Next on First at 4.